What is online reservation module and how to use it? One of the main features of ElektraWeb software that are offered free of charge is the online reservation page. Once user completes with the registration process for ElektraWeb, automatically new online reservation page on the related hotel name will be opened. We can reach this page by clicking on the booking icon found in the upper toolbar. This page can be integrated with hotel's own official web page, and all information, payment options, design settings, etc. can be added through ElektraWeb program. On the Setup menu in the Hotel Information part, we may enter the home page introduction text, email, and other contact information, as well as location on Google Map. These information will be displayed in the home page of our online reservation page, allowing potential guests to get in contact with our hotel in a fast and easy way. Prices we entered under the price and availability screen for the room types we defined in the system are the prices that will be displayed on the related online reservation page. On this page, guests can enter the desired date range for their potential stay and number of people that are going to stay in the hotel. After pressing the Search button, all the available rooms and prices will be listed based on the settings we made in the back office of the program. Potential guests can easily proceed to create the reservations by entering their basic personal, contact, and payment information. Reservations created through this online page will be instantly recorded in the reservation list. Payment will be received through virtual POS system defined in the program. For the reservations that come through this online channel, hotel will not have to pay any commission. On the payment section found under the Settings menu, we can define different payment methods that we adopt in our property. With the required username and password that allows hotel users to change the settings inside the program, related user will be able to log into the back office of online reservation page and easily change the design of it.